So we start off today's video with someone who has hair just past their shoulders. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous, longer pixie style. She does have kind of like a mushroom shape with this. Beautiful bangs in the front. I absolutely love this transformation. She has so much fullness. This is absolutely stunning. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. Here we have another pixie style. This is more of that asymmetrical shape. Longer on one side, shorter on the other. Just as breathtaking as the previous transformation. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So the stylist consults with his client for the next hair change. He begins to cut the hair, doing more like a layered look. Wow, look at the color on this. Absolutely unreal. Beautiful curtain bangs to frame the face, gorgeous layers, and the color just really accents the cut perfectly. Next up, we have someone who has blonde hair. So her hair is about mid-length. She has very thick strands. And it looks like she's going to be getting some layers for this look. Wow. Gorgeous shoulder length layered cut. This is beautiful. And once again, she has that fullness to her hair, just stunning. And then we see a cut and color change with this shoulder length ginger bob style. Layers once again to frame out the face. And then we see someone with shoulder length hair. Oh, so she ended up getting a bob and this really pretty gray color. Very pretty. And then we see someone with curly hair. It almost looks like she has like a mullet haircut. And the stylist does a nice trimming here, adds in some color. And he cuts the hair into more of a mullet shape. Wow, beautiful peach coloring. Like a peachy sandy brown. This is stunning. Wow. Very cool. And then we have a nice bottleneck bob transformation. Bangs in the front. And this is like a mini bob or pixie bob. Very cute. And then we have someone else with very long hair here. She's got some grown out color. And she ended up getting a nice shoulder length bob style. Beautiful hair change. So it looks like we have someone else who wants to go short. It almost looks like the stylist is doing like a wolf cut shape for this one. Bangs in the front. Oh wow, very nice. Love the texture. She looks amazing. Alright you guys, so I hope you were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.